and today we're going to be talking about the new Pallmann flex discs that fit onto the triple plate. So any Pallmann Spider that's bought after June 2023 will come standard with these new discs. Now what these new discs are doing is they're replacing the old pad system, pad configuration. So we have here the shin disc, the exhaust disc and the support disc. And all of this configuration put together fits onto your Pallmann triple plate, and now that's been replaced with this. Now the main reason that they've changed this is for efficiency and also to help you as a contractor not have to remember how all three of these pads go together. So here they're available as a spare part here at Ultimate Floor Care for your Pallmann Spider triple plate. It does exactly the same job as your old pad configuration. Like I said, it just makes it a bit easier for yourself. New to Pallmann as well, which we'll do another video on, is the transport crate where the Pallmann triple plate fits nicely in with these discs. If we want to fit these to the Pallmann triple plate, simply need to take off the satellite disc. So we just twist and remove, where you've got your three prongs that sit nicely in the triple plate. So we'll do that for all three of them. Come closer. So now we've got the satellite discs off, we need to marry up the three prongs with the three holes, and then we're going to twist it anti-clockwise so it fits in the grooves. So now that's ready for sanding. Like I said, this pad here isn't going to change the efficiency of the way the pad system work. It's simply just to make you as a contractor easier to work. And so you don't have to remember the configuration of the pads. You've got it all in one pad now.